Hey y'all, welcome back to the well. Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we're gonna do a comfort food, one of my comfort foods, grilled cheese. But not any old grilled cheese. We're gonna put the Bear twist on it. So y'all grab your favorite beverage, sit back, relax, and we're gonna get cooking. All right, y'all, we're gonna start out here. Same about normal. I use real butter, and just I lay it on there good and thick because I like it buttery, just the way I like it. Y'all can do it how you want to. We're gonna do up 4 slices of this. And notice we're using the good china today because it's comfort food. So there's 2 of them down. Like I said, big old slag of butter there. Sorry, I'm out of camera there. So there's 3. There's our 4th one here. Get that all buttered up there good. Alright, there we go. Buttered all the edges. Got her good and going there. Alright, now I'm going to heat my griddle up. Got them all buttered. We're going to heat the griddle up. And we'll bring you back once that's good and hot. So, hang on. Alright, y'all. Got that griddle fairly warm. I mean, it's not piping hot, but it's warm enough. So take my bread, a little bit of garlic powder, kind of like a garlic toast. Alright. Ooh, hear that sucker sizzling? Do the other one here. Alright, there's that. Now, I'll lay our cheese in there. There's 1 slice, 2 slices, 3 slices, because I like it cheesy. It's not easy being cheesy. Alright, now, add my own flair on it. Dill pickles. Yep, you heard it right. Dill pickles on the grilled cheese. So don't knock it until you try it. I hear some of you out there, ooh, dill pickles on grilled cheese. I was the same way until I tried it. A friend of mine talked me into trying it once. I was hooked. And I want to thank my brother Ken for the homemade dill pickles. So, alright. Throw that other one there on top there. I'll throw this one here on top there like that. And of course, sprinkle with some garlic powder. And we're going to let that sucker cook. Let her brown up on that other side. Take my spatula and make sure they're not sticking. I'm going to give these suckers a flip here. Oh, got a little bit out of alignment. Oh, they're toasting up nicely. Ooh, out of alignment. Get back in alignment. There we go. Alright. Don't take long to cook these suckers. I'm telling you. This is one of my most favorite comfort foods. Quick, easy, tastes delicious. Doesn't take long to cook. And of course, I keep flipping mine periodically, just so I can get that perfect brown on it. It's like that, Just keep on flipping them. So, alright, we're going to let these brown up, and we'll bring you back here in a few. Alright, y'all. I got one side done. Nice and toasty there. I like mine a little on the darker side, but y'all can cook yours how you want. So that side there needs a little bit more on that one. Ooh, that one's almost perfect. Almost perfect. And don't smush the sandwiches. Don't smush any of your sandwiches. No burgers, no nothing. Don't smush. Smushing's no fun. Ooh, almost perfect there. Perfection. Look at that. That is perfection. Oh yeah, perfection on that one. Perfection on that one too. Look at that. Love it. Alright. Now I'm going to let these rest a few. Let that cheese firm up a little bit. And then we'll come back and we'll slice it open. I'll give you a look at the inside and we'll do a taste test. Alright, y'all. These suckers rested long enough. We're going to cut into them here and let you all see what the inside looks like here. Ooh, look at that. We got that pickle right there. Got that gooey cheese. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Deliciousness. So, alright. I'm going to get the camera turned around. We're going to do a taste test and bring you all right back. Alright, y'all. Got my grilled cheese here. That grilled pickle. Talking with my mouth full. I'm taking another bite because it's good. Wash it down with a little chocolate milk there, so yummy. Best comfort food in the world. So, alright, y'all. Clean my mustache off. Anyways, there you have y'all. My version of the comfort food grilled cheese sandwiches. Hope you all enjoyed it. Like I said, don't knock the dill pickles on there until you try it, because they are delicious. I didn't think I'd like it at first, but it gives it something a little different, you know. That garlic on the outside. I like garlic, you know. So, you know, it just tastes good. Try it. Open your horizons. So there you have it. Anyways, thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch me live streams Sunday night, 7 p.m. It's a weekly thing we do. Appreciate y'all watching. And if you would please, go over and check out my buddy Mater's Garage. Great guy. I'll try to leave a link down in the description here. Check him out. Awesome guy. Let's try to get him up there some subscribers. So, there y'all have it. Bear appetit. Catch you next time.